Hello fellow YouTubers and National Panasonic fans. What I have here is a National Panasonic Clock Radio model number. Let's see what the model number is. RC-7580. This thing is neat. It's a clock radio, has a FM in a medium wave.
Get 36 months interest-free financing on selected mattress sets, including the Tempur-Pedic.
That's that vintage sound. This baby came out in 1973. Let's see if we can
backhands with it. Now he takes a pass back in.
Tune in some other stations. Mexican there. Let's see what we have. What else we have? More Mexican. We live in San Jose, so there's a lot of Spanish. Let's see what else. Oh, wow. That sounds good. So let's check this thing out. This is the battery compartment here. The machined aluminum knobs. Yeah, isn't that cool? And check this out. This is the case. Wow, look at that vintage 1973 look. Let's put her back together and see what she looks like.